Hello everyone, we have started a series of solving 2020 Wassce questions, the GC series, where we are now in question 2B. The question says, in a class of 40 students, 30 read chemistry and 20 read physics. If all the students read at least one of the subjects, find the probability that a student selected at random from the class reads only chemistry. Now, anytime you come across a question like this, the first thing to do is to analyze it. Now, which topic are we dealing with? We have two topics here, Venn diagram and probability. Now, let's get started. Let's bring out what we are given. In a class of 40 students, that means what? The number of universal sets, those that read all the paper, that is 40. 30 read chemistry, so we have number that read chemistry, that is 30. Number that read physics, that is what? 20. Now, if all the students read at least one of the subjects, find probability that a student selected at random from the class reads only chemistry. So, probability that a student read only chemistry is represented by C. And only chemistry means chemistry intersection physics complement. So we are looking for the probability of this. Before you can get this, we have to know what is C intersection physics complement, this value. Very good. Now let's draw the diagram so that we can move on from there. Now we have a rectangle most of the time to represent what will be inside probability, the universal set, which is this, and that is 40. We are dealing with two parameters, hence we have two circles. So we have chemistry to be 30, the number that read physics to be 20, and we have the center is there are those that read both chemistry and physics. So we can represent that as what here? Number that read chemistry intersection physics. Let's use that as y. So this is y. So those that read chemistry only will now be what? 30 minus y. Those that read physics only will now be what? 20 minus y. Very good. Now that will now be 40 equals chemistry only 30 minus y, both y, physics only 20 minus y. Now let's collect like terms. We're going to be having 40 equals 30 plus 20, that is 50, minus y plus y will give us 0, so we are left with minus negative y. So when you collect like term, you are going to be having 40 minus 50 equals to negative y. So 40 minus 50 will give us what? Negative 10 equals to minus y. Remember that we represented the number that read both what? Chemistry intersection physics as y. And that is now 10. But we are looking for the number that read chemistry only. So number chemistry intersection physics complement will now be this 30 minus y. And that gives us 30 minus y. And that is what? 30 minus 10. And that will be 20. But that is not the answer yet. If you stop here, you are going to lose the remaining mark. So we have probability of chemistry only. That will be number of required outcome, that is chemistry only, over number of possible outcome. 0 cancel 0 here. So we have 2 year 1, 2 year 2. And that is 1 over 2. Therefore, we can quickly conclude that the probability that read only chemistry will now be equals to what? Will now be equals to half. And that is the final answer. If you are new on this channel, I would like you to press the notification bell and subscribe so that you can get more of our videos. See you in the next question.